So this is my 1300 horsepower all-wheel drive Civic. We're here at TX2K.
Tell me a little bit about the Civic.
So this is my 1300 horsepower all-wheel drive Civic. We're here at TX2K. We ran a new PB here. We ran a 760 at 182. We're looking forward to going faster. We're here 5th eliminations, so we'll be going up in about an hour or two, and hopefully we get a new PB again.
What? How much air pressure you run under the tires?
So the tires are running between 14 to 18, depending on how sticky the track is. 8 up front. We're running around 55 to 60 pounds of boost. That's pretty much it, you know, very basic setup.
The weight, what's the weight on it?
The weight on it is 2,940 pounds with me in it.
The engine management.
Engine management, we have a Nexus R5, which Richard hooked me up with the whole setup so we can make sure all the sensors and everything are good with the car. We have a Boosty built motor, 2.0 motor. We have a billet drag cartel transmission, PPG, all the components inside that thing. We also have got the intake manifold running 8 injectors, 2600 cc's. We got the Wago setup, the viscous with the 60K fluid. We got the Truss Fab diff and viscous, which he put together. We got the KDM shift box, you know, a Jace composite carbon fiber front end to keep this thing as light as possible. But you know, for what it is, I think we're doing great. We still have the interior in this car. We still got the stock dash. So you know, we're playing with it. We're playing with it a little bit.
The last one. Turbo, and who you want to give a shout out?
So the turbo would be a 7685 Gen 2, and the biggest shout I want to give is to my family, my wife, and my 2 kids, especially Omar Morales. He helped me build this car. We built the car together, and also my little brother Anthony Felix, and obviously Boosty Built, who helped me with the motor and the trans. We have Precision Tint and Vinyl Experts, who funds the car, which is my personal shop located in Schaumburg, Illinois. We do vinyl wraps, tints, and paint protection film. So, you know, give us a follow, check out the car, check out the IG. It'll keep you updated with everything going on this year.
All right, man. Thank you for the time.
Thank you.